Looking to breathe new life into your Asus laptop? Maybe your old keyboard is sticking, keys are missing, or the backlight has given up the ghost. Well, today we're taking a look at a replacement keyboard option compatible with a range of Asus models, including the Q503UA, Q534U, Q534UX, Q552, Q552U, Q552UB, Q551L, Q551LB, Q551LK, Q551LN, Q553U, Q524U, Q524UQ, and Q553UB. This particular keyboard boasts a US layout, which is pretty standard, and a black finish to match most Asus laptop designs. One of the key features is the backlit functionality, which is great for working in low-light conditions. If your original keyboard had a backlight, this replacement will restore that functionality. The keyboard is brand new, so you can expect a clean and fresh typing experience. The product description also lists several part numbers, including 0KNB0-662KUS00, ABK1U00020, 9Z, N8SBQ, T01, and NSK, UST01. It's always a good idea to cross-reference these part numbers with your original keyboard to ensure compatibility. Before you click that buy button, take a close look at the product image. Make sure the key layout, the shape of the enter key, and the overall design match your original keyboard. This is crucial to avoid any compatibility issues. While this keyboard is advertised as compatible with a wide range of Asus models, subtle variations can exist. The keyboard is described as ergonomic, which suggests a comfortable typing experience. While ergonomic can mean different things to different people, it generally implies a design that minimizes strain and promotes a more natural hand position. This replacement keyboard offers a cost-effective way to repair your Asus laptop without having to replace the entire machine. If you're comfortable with basic laptop repair, swapping out the keyboard is a relatively straightforward process. You can find numerous tutorials online that guide you through the steps. Just be sure to disconnect the power and battery before you start. Overall, this replacement keyboard seems like a solid option for anyone looking to restore the functionality and aesthetics of their Asus laptop. Just remember to double-check compatibility before ordering to ensure a perfect fit.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.